Vegan, this is Henry, and today we're going to introduce you to my invention, the buckle guard, which keeps our babies safe in their car seats while we're driving them around everywhere. So first, before we put baby in the seat, we pop the buckle guard on there, pull that tight, the Velcro secures it at the back there, and we're ready. Henry goes in his seat. Tommy, come on. Have a bite? Have a bite? Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Ready? Blinky back. And buckle to loosen. Buckled in as normal. Tighten the seat. Okay, good to go. Okay, so to remove the buckle guard, what we do is loosen the straps a little bit and done.